Hey everybody.
Hey everybody. So we made it to our destination. Choctaw Casino and Resort, Grant, Oklahoma.
Grant. Not Durant, but Grant.
Grant.
It's the first time we've ever been here. So
This is a free room. It is a smoking room.
Smoking King East Tower.
That's funny. We'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
But pretty basic, so won't take long to do this review.
Probably not.
But let's do it.
Spin y'all around.
We're at the door.
Well, at the door right here is the door. And as soon as you come through the door, you go to the bathroom on the right.
From 1960 or 70 or something with some possible upgrades.
And just your basic, pretty much bathroom right here.
That's it.
And that's about it.
It's even got the old style tub with shower.
It's actually a fairly decent sized tub. I mean, you got your shower head. But look, you didn't see it, did you?
I did.
It's kind of like an oval shaped tub.
But you know what? When we looked online, none of this could be seen. You couldn't see.
No, nobody ever did pictures or videos of the bathroom.
Yeah, that's weird. Unless they were a fancy whatever.
So you come out of the bathroom, and right across the way here is the closet.
Fancy.
Open the other side.
Fancy.
You got ironing board and iron.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, there's like a little mirror right here on the wall.
This bed scares me.
Why does the bed scare you?
There's crinkles. There's like waves in it.
Yeah. Got the hotel phone. And over on this side, you got like a little dresser. In-room safe. And then right here is a refrigerator. Just your basic standard little bitty apartment size refrigerator.
A coffee bar.
A coffee pot.
It's called a coffee bar.
Coffee bar.
Yeah.
They even give you water.
How sweet. Oh, there's a TV.
TV. Probably a 50-inch TV. 55-inch TV.
Probably.
Ooh, sun's killing me. A little seating chair right there. And then this light's going to kill the camera, but this is our view. Not much of a view, but what can you expect for free?
And being in Grant, Oklahoma.
Yeah.
It's not like we're just off of a highway.
Right.
So I didn't expect. Well, wait a minute. Look up. Okay, go to Choctaw Casinos Grant, Grant. Put that in your search. The casino or the hotel looks.
Well, I noticed the other tower is a little bit taller, but they call this a tower, and it's literally
three floors.
And they call it a tower.
A tower. I mean, I know. It is what it is. But we're here. We're going to check out tomorrow sometime. We're going to make the best of this trip.
Yeah.
Again, it's just a little travel time to get out of the house while we can.
Yeah.
And enjoy. So we want to do a review from here. Kind of just go over what we like or what we see, what we do. We're hoping we can record some downstairs, so stay tuned for any further viewed videos coming from Choctaw Casino, Grant, Oklahoma.
And we'll be back.
We'll be back. Okay, guys.
Well, this is the morning after for the room.
Yeah. And we just kind of want to do an overall update. So, what's your thoughts?
Overall experience, good.
Good.
Great.
Good casino, good people, good service, friendly people.
It was a nice room.
Mm-hmm.
One bad drawback.
The bed was rock hard. hard.
Yeah, rock hard. And we're used to so soft because our bed at home is soft. When we stayed at other casinos, the bed was soft.
If you've ever been to Vegas, you could say that this is worse than Bally's bed.
Yeah, Bally's bed was even softer. So
Bed was hard. And their pillows were so thick because we're double pillow sleepers. No, because even with one pillow, you're sleeping like,
yeah,
I don't know, your head was way up.
yeah,
So.
it was.
But overall, would we do it again? Yes.
Yes.
Only difference is that is the older tower. It is the smoking section, I think.
Yeah, we got a smoking room. So
But behind us,
if y'all can see,
like over here, is the new section. And the old man last night said he was on the 6th floor. He had to be on the 5th floor.
we only count 5 floors.
Yeah.
So we don't know for a fact that it's 5 or 6, but it's one or the other.
Yeah.
The tower we stayed in, it only
Is
had 3 floors.
Yeah. So I think if you were to stay over there, you would probably be in a more luxurious room.
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe a better bed.
Yeah.
But so don't say it's all bad.
No.
The room we had was not best.
The room we had was good. It was
was.
just the bed.
It was
that's
bed.
that's the only drawback was the bed.
Yeah. So we just kind of want to give you our outtake on it. We will say that this was a absolutely free room.
Yes.
And
no resort fee.
they're normally $249 for what we stayed in.
Yeah, they don't have any resort fees down here. So
you have your accidental charge or hold, incidental.
And that was $50 a night.
Yeah.
Is what that is.
So we paid absolutely nothing for it. We had a great time. And like I said, regularly the room we were in would be $249.
Yes.
Now I can tell you by looking on the room, I believe it's the same in both towers.
Yeah, I think so.
And
that was on a weekend, a Saturday night.
Saturday night. And they got pretty busy out here last night.
They did. Yeah,
so
they
there's
did.
that. But we just want to kind of hop on and let you guys know. He's going to walk around for a minute and let you guys see.
Okay.